One's a day. 2v4, Bobby. Let's go.
I'm just gonna record the whole match.
Nick's already got it, dude.
Don't worry. Let him do it too. I'm just gonna record the whole fucking match.
He is.
No point in playing when you can get an easy win like this. Because he's just gonna sit here and non-P flood me the whole fucking time and Dunzo. So.
Me and Bob are going 2v4 this shit. Let's go, Bobby.
And me and JJ are on the same fucking at the same house, and he's. How the fuck did he know I was there?
I bet they drop the 1 bars whenever it gets to like 03. You should have show that and then put it in the ticket. Because they're going to keep them up for the whole entire game. No.
Dude, I'm literally skipping there. It's impossible.
It's impossible to play on 1 bar, dude. Trust me. He won't get a kill. Why are you camping, bro? Go out, nigga. What are you doing?
I was gonna send this kid a message.
Don't.
It's a 1 bar the whole damn time. What's it matter?
Because if it drops to 3 bar and then you go back, they're not gonna see it. It's pointless even sending a message. What are you gonna fucking say?
Mine is too.
Wow.
Well, right now, my video's at 3 minutes, and I'll start recording like 15 seconds after the game even started. Now my video's at 3 minutes and 5 seconds. I bet they stop IP flooding right here. I'm calling this shit out. The fuck does I'm landing mean and you're able to play?
Let's go, Bobby.
I don't even understand that. Obviously, they're IP flooding because he wouldn't have knew that me and JJ are on the same house. So he automatically knows that we're both on the same IP. So fucking obvious. And that's not even against any rule anyways.
Let's go, Bobby.
He said I'm able to play. I'm skipping.
See where he went. He went back into art. Rough run, Bobby. Not gonna get GG. We got it, Bobby. Don't even try to pop up. Just hold the shit. Because even if it was your connection, it would go to a 2 bar. Like, it wouldn't stay flat 1 bar. That's dumb.
I have some of the best internet you can get, and I never 1 bar. I never even 2 bar.
Striker?
I hardly ever 3 bars. So
Wow, he snake, Bobby. He knifed me like a little bitch. He called you out, Bobby. One's gonna be in top Y. If they're playing A bomb, then he's in top Y. Hey, let me see your controller. I'm gonna try to get a kill. Help out something here. Try not to die, Bobby. Look at that.
It is 6 minutes. 6 minutes and 7 seconds right now. Easy win. Easy win for me.
I'll go ahead and go dispute. Post ticket right now. I said post the ticket.
No, don't make the ticket. I'll make the ticket. I'll have him make the ticket.
I don't know. Dunzo, you want to go play some more of that 2v2 thing with me? Alright, cool. The new map thing.
Let's see if they stop IP floating me yet. Look, I'm on a 4-bar. The match is over.
Oh, you can't tell that because when I was bought me in it because you can't see because whenever I was getting hit, I was still on a 4-bar on my connection.
Don't worry about it. No, I already got it.
No, Nick, invite everybody in and show them.
Everybody come to my game. So how they just stop IP flood as soon as the game's fucking over. So obvious. Look at that. Damn, ain't that something?
Dude, we're gonna escalate this and get it easy. Even if they do, get it from CMRS.
Damn, what an easy win.
I know.
Magically on a 4-bar as soon as the match is over. That's something.
Oh, another 4-bar. I'm trying to kill you looking at your screen.
Wasn't even a fucking minute after it's like 45 seconds I left. Then made this game.
Alright, that's not proof, Nick. End it. Post it. Upload to YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and go to
What
these kids.
Easy win. Those kids are so stupid.
Report 2-1.